Uber Eats background checks are handled automatically through third-party screening systems, and most delays come from mismatched documents or information that doesn't instantly verify. By the end, you'll know what actually happens during the background check, why some people get approved quickly while others wait, and what you can do if your application gets stuck. The background check starts right after you submit your application. Uber Eats uses a screening service to review your identity, and, if you're driving, your driving record. If you're using a bicycle or walking in your area, the focus is usually more on identity and basic eligibility checks. The system tries to verify everything automatically. That includes your name, date of birth, and identification documents. If everything matches cleanly, approval can move through without any extra steps from you. When delays happen, it's usually not random. The most common issue is information that doesn't match exactly. That can be small differences in spelling, expired documents, or blurry uploads that the system can't confirm. Another delay trigger is when the system needs manual review. That happens when automated verification can't confirm part of your background or identity. At that point, a human reviewer has to step in, which slows things down. Your location also matters. Different regions use different screening providers, and some areas have higher demand for background checks, which can slow down processing during busy sign-up periods. If your check is taking longer than expected, there are a few practical things you can do. First, open your Uber Driver app and make sure all documents are clear, valid, and fully uploaded. Retaking a photo with better lighting fixes more issues than most people expect. Second, check your email and app notifications for requests. Sometimes Uber Eats asks for a resubmission or clarification, and missing that message pauses everything. Third, avoid restarting the application unless support tells you to. Creating duplicate applications can actually slow down verification instead of speeding it up. Once the background check clears, you'll get access to go online and start receiving delivery requests, but approval speed is mostly about how easily your information is verified on the first pass. Quick recap. Uber Eats background checks are automated. Delays usually come from mismatched or unclear documents, and manual review can slow things down when the system can't verify instantly. Next step. Double-check your uploaded documents now, because clean submissions are the fastest way to avoid getting stuck in review. If you want more straightforward breakdowns like this, like the video and subscribe.